Manipur Chief Minister N.Biren Singh appreciated the Green Manipur Mission team for carrying out the plantation drives at Phawaibi on occasions of the World Environment Days on June 5. Taking to the microblogging site X, the Manipur CM emphasized the needs to preserve the environments and strengthen bonds with nature. He wrote, "I appreciate the Chief Minister's Green Manipur Mission team for conducting a mass tree plantation drives at Phawaibi. Such measures not only raise awareness about the needs to protect the environment but strengthens our existence bonds with the surroundings." Furthermore, he also stressed on the importance of plantations, new saplings to combat deforestation and climate change. Let us remember that each seed and every sapling can make a huge difference in the fight against deforestation and climate change, he wrote. Earlier, CM N.Biren Singh also extended wishes on occasions of the World Environment Day and pleaded for a cleaner and sustainable future. Let's work together to create a cleaner, greener and more sustainable future for ourselves and the generation to come. Remember, the health of our environment is the foundations of our well-being. Happy World Environment Day, he wrote on X.